I'm Josh with Hot Shot Secret. We're going to break down some of the most common questions folks have about our Diesel Extreme fuel additive. First up, how often should I use Diesel Extreme? We recommend treating a tank every 6,000 miles to deep clean the injectors and fuel system. Next, can I use Diesel Extreme in every tank with no harm? You can use Diesel Extreme in every tank with no harm or side effects. Our everyday diesel treatment would be a more economical option, as it gives you the same cetane boost and protections as Diesel Extreme, but with less injector cleaner. One 16-ounce bottle of EDT treats 400 gallons versus 40 gallons with Diesel Extreme. What is the difference between Diesel Extreme and EDT? Diesel Extreme and everyday diesel treatment are similar products and complement each other. Both products provide cetane boost, injector cleaner, water demulsifier, rust and corrosion inhibitor, plus lubricity and fuel stabilizer. Diesel Extreme is a fully formulated deep injector cleaner designed to be used every 6,000 miles, while EDT is made more for every fill-up and contains more lubricity additives. EDT is also more affordable per gallon treated, making it a product you can use on every tank. I use EDT. I just picked up Diesel Extreme. Do I use both together or stop EDT in one fill-up and put in Diesel Extreme? You will stop using EDT for that tank full of fuel while using Diesel Extreme. Use Diesel Extreme every 6,000 miles to deep clean the injectors. You do not need to flush the tank between products. They are both compatible with each other. Can I use Diesel Extreme as an anti-gel? Diesel Extreme has no anti-gel protection. Use EDT plus Winter Defense for anti-gel protection. It packs the same benefits of EDT while also giving you that gelling protection. Best practice is to use Diesel Extreme before and after winter to tune up your entire fuel system as the seasons change. Finally, what is the shelf life of Diesel Extreme? An unopened bottle of Diesel Extreme will be good for up to 2 years. Use within 1 year when opened. Now that you have your biggest questions answered, go ahead and pick up some Diesel Extreme and see the benefits yourself. Again, I'm Josh with Hot Shot Secret. Thanks for watching.